Hey, guys! Welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple yet effective way to enhance your computer usage experience. We'll be diving into how to turn on night light in Windows 10, which not only limits the amount of blue light emitted by your monitor but can also contribute to better sleep and reduced eye strain. So, without further delay, let's get started. The first thing we need to do is navigate to the Windows key on our keyboard. It will open up the Start menu. From there, head over to Settings. In the Settings menu, locate and click on System. Now, within the System settings, go to Display. In my system it is on top. If you not found it on top, then scroll down, and you'll find the option for Night Light. Now, click on Night Light setting. This is where you can customize your night mode experience. You have the ability to change the temperature of the color of your screen. Remember, the warmer and more red the temperature, the better it is for your eyes, especially during the nighttime. You can also schedule night mode to turn on automatically based on sunrise and sunset. For this option you have to turn on new location, or set a specific time that suits your preferences. To activate night mode, simply click on Turn on Now. Or you can find its shortcut in the Shortcut menu. For accessing Shortcut menu, you can see notification icon at the very bottom right corner. Click on it. You can also see your notifications here. Now if you does not found Night Light shortcut, then right-click anywhere, click on Edit. Click on Add. When you click on it, it will show you the list of shortcuts which you are not edited. Click on that shortcut. So I click on Night Light. Then click Done. Now you can turn on and off Night Light directly from here. For detailed setting you have to open Setting. Once you've done that, your monitor will emit less blue light, creating a more eye-friendly environment. It's a quick and easy way to make your computing experience more comfortable, especially during those late night sessions. If you found this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Goodbye.